Okay, this is just a brief discussion regarding your midterm assignment, and I did make some slight changes, but I think it will help with your progress through the course. It matches up pretty closely with what we are covering. So, for the midterm, you're going to choose one or more spiritual counseling theories, or one of the theories, the primary theories that we discussed, and how it applies to spiritual counseling. So you can choose basically one or more than one theory to use as your personal model for understanding the process of spiritual counseling. Describe why you chose this theory, how it or they fit you as an individual, how they fit you as a counselor. What are the positive features of the theories or theory? What needs improvement? How would you improve the theory? You may use one of the theories we covered in class, or a theory that you found in your own research on your own. But I really want to hear, if you're using more than one, how you would combine them, and whether you're using one or more than one, how you would use them in helping clients with spiritual counseling or pastoral counseling. So I think we're looking at 4 pages. Don't worry about a title page. If you do, you should probably have a couple citations and a reference or two at the end. But 4 typed pages, double-spaced. But I was also thinking that rather than a Dropbox, rather than putting your assignments in a Dropbox and me being the only one seeing them, I thought that we would have an extra long discussion post for week 8. So this is week 6. You'll have this week to work on it, next week to work on it, and it will be your post for week 8. And it'll be a long discussion post. I don't even know if they let you post that long of a discussion, but we'll give it a shot. And then, so that'll be your midterm grade, the paper that you post. And that you should probably post that Wednesday of week 8 by 10 p.m. And then for your discussion grade, that will be based on your response to 2 of your classmates' theory. And I just think we can learn from each other doing it this way, and I hope that you'll see how it flows with the first 5 or 6 weeks of the course. And then for your final, and we'll talk about this more later, your final paper will do more of an introspection and case study, applying the theory to a specific case scenario. And I just think that flows pretty nicely, and hopefully it won't be too stressful for you and you'll find it interesting. If you have any questions, you can always email me. Thanks.